Yesterday, we learned how numbers grow. But mathematics is honest. Sometimes, numbers change by losing. Subtraction tells us what remains. Four remain.
They didn't disappear. They just aren't here anymore.
Exactly. Subtraction remembers what was. Subtraction is addition in reverse.
If Kai has 6 mangoes,
and I give 2 away, you don't guess, you subtract. And sometimes, nothing remains. 0 is not failure, it is balance. To understand what you have, you must understand what you lose.